Maganda itong picture with Roxy, oh. Gusto ko makipag-inuman kasi matagal na. Masaya kasi kapag makapag-inuman.
Good morning, Philippines!
Tammy's leaving and I asked Tammy to help me to bring this Christmas tree up. So I did, you know, I decided not getting a new Christmas tree. I'm just gonna use the same thing. I guess I have to wrap, you know, lights. That Christmas tree is nice, guys. Don't get me wrong, but the light is broken. It's like it needs to be fixed. But there's a lot of problem, like it's losing a lot of like bulb. Not the bulb, some of the bulb is not working, so that's why. But at least I have a Christmas light. So this is his food. Milky, guys. He got big milk, guys. Look, we never really get this size. This milk size.
Yeah.
Okay, don't forget your word thing. And he's leaving, guys. Hey.
Cut this cheese in half and keep half of it. This
No.
is too much cheese, but this is how I used to buy from Costco, you know? Oh, they're bigger.
Bring that over there. Bring that. We have here anyway. We have like here. Bring it over there and leave it there. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Hey, you have your charger, your phone, everything.
Right, no, that's not bad. You know?
We'll be right back to that. Anyway, guys, it's leaving. Good morning. I'm going to put my Christmas tree today. See ya. Yeah. See bye-bye, baby.
Bye, Roxy.
See bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Where I'm gonna put my Christmas tree, Christmas tree, Christmas tree. Where I'm gonna put my Christmas tree, Christmas tree. Si Dimples, ang sarapan talaga ng fireplace. Where I'm gonna put my Christmas tree, Christmas tree, Christmas tree. Where I'm gonna put my Christmas. Mama's gonna put the Christmas tree. I don't know where. I'm not gonna put it right here. Last year, nilagay ko yung Christmas tree dito, guys. Si Tammy, nagre-react palagi. Kasi every time we eat something over here because hindi kami kumakain palagi sa dining. Dito kami sa counter. So, ang nangyayari, the Christmas tree block the TV. So, hindi niya makikita yung TV. So, iwan ko dito or dito. May couch naman dyan at saka mga bin ng laruan ng aso doon. I think, i-move ko ito dito, malapit dito. Ay, nako, Lordis. Tignan mo naman to. Gustong-gusto niya yung fireplace. Ay, gosh. Intosh. I end up really not getting anything. Okay, why I want to get another one? I want to get a different color. Well, actually green and white mixed. But thinking about it, $200, $150, the price now of Christmas tree. And also my husband just makes me realize that yeah, I can still use it and wrap the light, because some of the lights are broken, not working, and so that makes me realize, yeah, just save the money also. And this Christmas tree is good. Napagod ako sa kakahanap ng mga gamit ko. Yung sa Christmas pang decor ko, meron siya, naka-box. Pero yung skirt ng Christmas tree, hindi ko na makita. Iwan ko. Hi guys, I'm very frustrated right now. Let me turn the head. I turned the heat on because Tammy told me I have to turn the heater on kasi daw tonight maglow daw yung temperature 30 below 30 or 30 something, so he doesn't want the pipe crack. So I turn it on auto. This is like automatic. yung light na nilagay ko last year doon sa Christmas tree, kasi yung Christmas tree na yan, hindi talaga mag-on yung light. So, I put something in there, wrapping the Christmas tree na parang may light siya. Ngayon, hindi ko makita. Hindi ko alam kung asan siya. Look, very, ano ako ngayon, look, frustrated because andito lahat sa living room ko yung mga kinuha ko lahat. Hindi ko rin makita yung binili ko sa dollar store. Yung sabi ko sa inyo na nagandahan ako at saka mura na Christmas tree, yung sa ilalim na material ilagay. Hindi ko rin makita. Hindi ko talaga alam kung asan sila. As in, andito na lahat yung alam ko na mga box, mga cellophane na alam ko na ginagamit ko last year. Hindi ko talaga alam na wala talaga yung Time check, it is 2 o'clock na wala pa rin akong nagawa. I told you I give up. I'm pissed with this Christmas light because everything is broken. So, and also I'm looking for the skirt. And I finally found it. It's in this bag in the attic. So, na hindi ko siya nakita sa attic. So, yun. Oh, ano tong meron sa loob? So, inupin ko. Nakita ko. And also, the sim lights na nilagay ko last year. Yun, nalagyan ko na siya ng light. Pero, sa harapan. Sa likuran, walang ka-light-light. Yan. Walang ka-light-light sa likuran. Pero meron tayong isa dito. Ikasya natin ito. Wrap around. Ang importante naman ay sa harapan. Ang ganda sa harapan kasi. Okay guys, I am done with my Christmas tree. And yan, yung Christmas tree dyan, nilagyan ko ng konting The same last year lang guys yung nilagay ko. As in, same lang talaga sila. Look, the same. Ito sa Walmart ito, $1 lang guys. Maganda siya, butterfly, peacock. Yan, peacock. Maganda yan sila. Ito, silver na butterfly. Temperature ngayon is 40 something, I think. And dito sa taas is 68. Yan. Nilagay ko lang ito dito yung sana okay yung paglagay ko. Mukhang naman. Mukhang pantay naman. Sa tingin ko parang may iwan ko, parang pantay naman siya. So, yun, nilagay ko na siya doon. Maliit lang siya, guys, kasi hindi naman dapat malaki dito yon. Hi, guys! Let's turn the Christmas tree, everything. Let's turn everything. Yan, under din yan. Maganda itong picture with Roxy, So, yun guys, yung angel, ang ganda ng Christmas tree guys. With first time ko to nilagyan yung Christmas tree ng sa baba. Ito, under din yan. Pero first time ko to nilagyan guys ng mga anek-anek dito sa baba. First time dito. Look, may mga tauhan dyan. Parang maliit na town ba? Yan. May tao dyan. Yan, may train. May tao na Yan. And dito guys, meron akong nilagay. I don't know kung tama ba itong positioning ko. Parang, I think okay naman ata ito. I think ito siya. I think Jesus in there. And then, yan. Yan. 3 hari. And ito yung pinost ko guys of ano. Look. Animated angel. Yung face niya sobrang ganda look. Look, ang ganda ng face niya guys. Oh, ang ganda-ganda. So, ito siya. Under din ito kaso wala na akong extra outlet. Ito yung Christmas tree din na maliit. Nilagyan ko siya dyan para naman okay, diba? Para may kakambal yung malaki dyan. Uy guys, hindi ang nilagay ko pala this year sa taas. Iba siya. Look. Star. Maganda siya kasi hindi siya mahirap ilagay kasi clip lang siya. Kakain lang ako guys. It is almost 7 o'clock na ng hapon. And kain tayo. Si Hubs. Gustong gusto ni Hubs nila yung posa ko sa ilalim ng Christmas tree. Pero this time hindi sila, nandun lang sila sa likuran kasi usually naglalaro sila dyan sa ilalim. Dahil sa material na nilagay ko doon yung skirt. So, yan. So, ang dami nang nilagay ko dyan. Hindi na sila makapaglaro. Ang cute talaga nito, guys. Nakukutan talaga ako sa Angel. Kain lang ako ng dinner. Yung kakainin ko is yung niluluto. Diba nagluto kami ni Tami ng steak? Ako pala. And, nireko ko siya kahapon. Nireko ko siya. And, yun. Nagluto ako ng rice kasi wala na din pala akong rice. As usual man ako wala ng rice guys kasi malakas na tayong kumain ng rice. Yung doon ako kay Lo, gusto kong makipag-inuman kasi matagal na. Masaya kasi kapag makapag-inuman. Kaso iba talaga no, pag magdadrive ka. Mag-start ka nang mag-drive kasi hindi ka na talaga basta-bastang mag-inom-inom habang nagdadrive. Hindi katulad noon na inom lang ng inom. Anyway, I'm going to bed. Maaga pa ako bukas. Maaga pa bukas, guys. I'm going to shut the light sa labas. Kasi on siya, have to shut that off. And, patapusin ko muna to sila. Binigyan ko sila ng treats nila. So, hintayin ko kasi. Itong si Roxy, hindi niya kakainin yung pagkain niya kapag pumasok ako sa bedroom. Nakatingin lang siya, ayaw niyang kainin. Parang takot siyang ilak. Takot siyang hindi papasokin. Kaya hintayin natin sila. Mga sir, mga ma'am. Manonood lang din ako ng guys, movie. Movie, kahit anong movie doon sa TV lang rin. Anyway guys, I'm going to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching. And bukas maaga tayo kasi alis ako dito mga 10:30 para i-pick up si Lo para magpunta daw kami sa simbahan. Parang gathering or something, basta yun. Anyway, yeah, see you tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye! Good night guys.